Good morning, good evening, good night from wherever you are watching us, and welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to learn how to get completely free stuff from Temu. You can get absolutely free stuff from Temu, but you'll need to follow this tutorial to get every step on the way. The first thing you will need to do is to ensure that you uninstall the Temu app from your phone, because you notice on the website free gift for new users only. So this means if you are not a new user, you'll not be able to get free stuff from Temu. So the first thing you do, make sure you uninstall your Temu app from your phone. The next thing you do, you simply go to your browser, and it doesn't matter which browser you are using, and then you will type this link tinyurl.com, then you add forward slash, then you type easy Temu. This will lead you to the developer glitch that will help you to get a new Temu account where you can completely get new stuff. So it will lead you here, and then the next thing you're going to do, you notice you can get $100 coupon bundle, and it's for new app users only. So you click on download to get, and this will take you to your store where you will need to install the Temu Shop Like a Billionaire app. And I'll also be giving you in the course of this tutorial the code that you'll need to use for you now to get the completely free stuff. So once the installation is complete on your Android or on your Apple, the next thing you do, just like when installing other apps on your phone, you'll click on open, and this now will open your new Temu account. And then after downloading, you now put your email here so that you can now log in. And remember, you can only use an email that has not been used on Temu. So you put your email here, and then you type your password, and it's so free to create so many emails. So if you have used your email already on Temu, you can always create a new email, and then you are able to register that. So you notice now I've just done that, and now it brings me to my Temu account. Then you'll come to the search at the top here, and then this is the code you are going to type. ORD, then 52 40 76, and that code is in the screen. You can view that. So that will give you now access to the developer glitch. Now after typing that code, you notice what I'm getting. This is what I'm getting after typing that code. You notice it has free shipping and price adjustment within 30 days. But in this case, we are not even worried about the price adjustment, because we want to get these products completely for free. So what you do is you select a product. So notice here we have all these products, and you can select the products that you want to get for free. So remember to use the code that I've given, because if you don't do that, then you won't get to this developer glitch site where you can now get these free items. So let's say I want to buy these first two products here. So I'll click on add to cart, and then I select maybe the second one. I can see the first one is sold. Then I can click on add to cart down here. One has been added, and then you notice it gives me a warning that this product is almost being sold out. So I have to do quickly before it's completely sold out. I can close that and maybe select another product here, and then I can click on, you notice here we only have 15 left. Click on add to cart. Then let me look for a different product that seems to be having issues. Let me click on the bike there, then add to cart. That has been added. Let me select the second one there, add to cart, added. So then I can now go to cart. So if now I go to the cart, you notice you'll not be charged until the next page, and then click here to select the items you want to add to checkout. So if I click on that, these are the items I want to add to checkout: the bike and the watch. And then you notice only 3 bikes are left, and this watch is almost sold out. You notice these are products that are quickly being sold. So The next thing you do is click on checkout. Just that. So you notice at the top here, you have free shipping on all orders. That means I'm not going to pay anything to get this product. Then what you do here is you fill in your details here, then your last name, and then the street, and then the apartment, which is optional. Then you have the postcode here, and then we have the country here, and then we can enter the city, and then you enter the phone number. Remember, all this is compulsory. The phone number is compulsory here, so I'll also add the phone number there. And then after that, click on save, and then you now confirm your order details, free shipping for you, the details, the phone number where the items will be delivered. And then you notice it keeps on giving me the warning down here that the 2 items are almost sold out. Then you can see the standard shipping, click and collect, which is free, but I want the standard shipping, which is free for me in this case. And then now, even if I set up my payment method, whether it's a card, PayPal, or ClearPay, or whichever method I'm going to set up, you don't have to get worried because they are not going to deduct any amount from that part. You simply complete that. Currently, I am not in a position to add the details for my payment method here. So you simply add all that, and then so you can add your card, you can add your PayPal, you can add your ClearPay, you can add your Google Pay, and you can even do this with a card that has no money. So you will still succeed in doing this. So after that, you will click on submit order, and you will see the order amount here, the 25, and all the other details. And your order has been successfully submitted, and then you should now be able to receive the product that you have just added on your cart from Temu for free. Remember, this one you only use it only for the new users accounts only. You cannot use it with old or already used accounts. Remember also, as we said in the beginning, make sure first of all to uninstall your Temu account, to uninstall your Temu app. If you don't uninstall your Temu app, then you are not going to succeed in this. Then the second very important thing that we have said is that remember to also use the code, the developer code, ORD52476, and you are not going to put any space between the ORD and then the numbers. It's just one phrase. And so with that, you now notice you can even now see other people who are also claiming their gift. You notice at the top here, enjoy coupon bundle in app. At the top here, you see Dash has claimed this gift, and then all the people who are claiming their gift, you see them at the top here claiming the gift. And that is how you simply get completely free stuff from Temu. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.